Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be looking at the absolute best trading routine that I do every single Sunday to ensure that I'm going into the week with some sort of game plan or approach. I always imagine the week ahead is like a football team ready to jump in and go into the Super Bowl, right? They have a playbook. They have an offensive playbook, a defensive playbook. They know generally what the other team's going to do. They know what the market's going to do, right? Just like trading, right? People have to have that same approach with trading and investing, right? You got to have a plan for the week ahead. So what's one way to do that is to set a trading routine that you do every single Sunday to ensure you are following your approach. Now, we're going to be talking about the best trading routine that I've done over the past 7 years. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. Smash that like button and subscribe. And guys, we do have a sponsor for today's video, and it's Moomoo. I know a lot of you are just getting started with investing, and one app that I've been using is called Moomoo. It's super beginner friendly, but still gives you pro level tools like live market data, easy to read charts, and news all in one place. And the best part, new users can get up to 60 free stocks when you open up an account with qualifying deposit. And honestly, that's actually why I tried it, and I've been using it ever since. Check out the link down below if you guys are curious. So make sure you guys sign up because they're absolutely fantastic, and you guys can get up to 60 free stocks. It's free, so sign up. And if you guys want to learn more about trading, check out our school. It's fantastic. We talk about how to find these stocks that we're going to be kind of talking about today, or how to build strategies, the approach, entries, exits, risk management systems that you guys can do. So hope you guys all enjoy it. If you do, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's jump into it. All right. So over this upcoming week here, what's the approach? So obviously, we're going to continue to look at Tesla for our day trades. You can see the heavy support, heavy resistance that we took on Friday. Now, generally, kind of what we're seeing is this starting to break out above these 200-day moving average lines. So we could see a little push going up, kind of in that direction, right? As of right now, things can change very, very quick. So, for me, there's a lot of different types of day trading, right? There's momentum day traders that have, expensive scanners like with trade ideas, and they're finding a stock that's squeezing up. And that's a great approach. But for me, I love to find stocks that just have volatility already and just kind of follow my approach. So the stocks that I day trade are going to be Tesla, SPY, Nvidia, Apple, and QQQ. Those are like the main ones that I really day trade. And yeah, occasionally I'll do like a momentum play or like a news play. And when a stock's overvalued, I'm going to short it. When it's undervalued, I'm going to buy it. But for me, momentum day trading is just very, very, very difficult to do, right? And so I'm going to play to my strengths and do what I do best, right? So, if you see some of those stocks on the watch list, that is why. So, all right. Looking for swing trades here. One of the stocks I added was ticker symbol GRDM. Now, the reason why is heavy support on that 200-day moving average line, as we can see here. So hits it, buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure. Could see a move from 20 to 26. The RSI right now is at a 33. And looking at like a lower time frame, like the hourly, for me, it would be a push above like 20 to 17. So we're going to just throw an alert. So if it pops up above there, we're ready to rock and roll. Another one here is BEKE. This one here has a great trend line support. So if we remove the moving average lines, you guys can see the heavy support on the trend. So we could see a move from like 18 to 22, keeping stops below 1720. RSI is a little high though, so we got to take that with a grain of salt as well. And you guys can see that it does have some pretty hard, resistance on that hourly time frame. So set an alert above 19 for a breakout there. We got PEN here. PEN, as we look at this, is another 200-day moving average play. Sold off. This would be another breakout on that hourly time frame. Looking at it to see if it continues to follow that little trend line there. So definitely keep on watch here. We got KT, which is a stock that we called out, I believe, last week. And look at this move here that we saw it hit that 50-day EMA, already moved up. We're going to just delete it from the watch. We got Berkshire Hathaway. Berkshire Hathaway here is another one that we actually might just average in a little bit. We did buy some. when it sold off down here at 462 on that previous 200-day moving average line. So we're going to see if we can get a push to go a little higher, and you guys can see just that little trend right there for the breakout. So we're going to throw an alert above about 500. If it pushes up above it, we'll start that trade. We got SPY, which is just a stock that I day trade. Looking at this here, the hourly time frame, heavy support. We do have some nice trend lines like such. So if it sells off down to like 594, we're ready to rock and roll. And as well, looking at like the 5-minute chart, you can see just a little more consolidation and some heavy resistance at 600. We got Nvidia, which is another stock I day trade. Apple, day trade. And then we got this one here. This ticker symbol EZPW. The daily time frame here is pretty much what we call a 200-day moving average play. Sold off down to the 200-day, trading for a 37 on the RSI. You can see the recent tendencies of support there. So we could see a move going higher. And don't forget, guys, if you guys want to learn how to find these stocks, check out our school. It's awesome. And you guys can use code LEARN to get 20% off. Only one spot left for that code, so check it out. We got PRVA here, a good trend line play. Could see a move from like 23 to 26. We got BRX here. This one here is a trend line breakout here on that daily. So we're going to throw an alert above that trend line, or if it pops up, we could possibly take a chance on that move. For me as well, we want to get a trend going in this direction, going up. So, if it dips back down to that 25, we could see a good entry there. Another one here is SUPV. Looking at this here, this is another 200-day EMA line trade. 25 on the RSI, which is pretty good. We got BBAR, another 200-day. And yeah, a lot of my swing trades are very, very simple, right? We use the 200-day moving average line and trend lines as heavy support. We look for breakouts on lower time frames that will often correlate to, an increase in price, increasing buying pressure, momentum change. And we use other indicators like the RSI, the MACD, and even volume to help determine good entry points. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this, but with trading, you guys will notice that I set alerts. I'm prepared. I know the approach for the week ahead. And so if any of these alerts go off, we're going to be ready to rock and roll with them. So hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.